Hi, I'm John, welcome to my channel. If you are looking to create a landing page in Kit and then be able to share that with other people, this is the video for you. Okay, so let's start by heading to the menu at the top. Says grow, and then we're going to go to landing pages and forms. See this button on the right hand side, it says create new. You're going to click on that, and then on the right hand side we've got landing page. Okay, now you'll see there's a load of templates in here that you can choose from to give you a start on creating your landing page. It doesn't matter which one you pick, choose one that resonates with you. You can change the look and feel of it once you select it as your starting point. So I'm going to filter, let's say I'm going to filter on products, look for ones with products, go to the top, I'm going to take this one, top right, choose that as my starting point template. So that'll load into the editor here, and then we can change it to make it look and feel the way we want it for whoever we're going to share it with. Okay, so I'm just going to change this to make it obvious that it's a demo share of landing page, and then we'll see that popping up in the when we share it across to the other account. If I wanted to make it more obvious, I can change the background and add an image in, let's say. So let's say, I don't know, mountains. And let's pick that one there. Okay, so we can see the mountain range. So let's imagine we've now got the form the way we want it to look for the person we're going to share it with. First thing I would recommend doing is changing it to something that's meaningful. So I'm going to call this one landing page share demo, so we can easily pick it out from a list. And then I'm going to click save and publish. Okay. Now at the top you'll see this little ellipsis here, 3 dots. Click on it. You'll see there's no option to share it. Okay, so you got archive, duplicate, and delete. That's all you've got inside there. So the way you can get around that is by adding the landing page into an automation, a visual automation, and then sharing the automation, and that in turn will then share the landing page. So I'm going to come out of this at the moment. So this is the landing page created. It's the way we want it to be, and then I'm going to create automation, visual automations, and I'm going to create a new automation at the top. So just to put this in perspective, what I'm doing here, I'm inside one demo kit account that I have. I'm going to create the automation, and then I'm going to share it and import that content into another demo account that I have in Kit. Okay, so in here I'm going to start from scratch. The first thing I'm going to do is say start building, and then joins a form, and then I'll pick from the drop down what the name of the form is, so that you can see it's that one there, landing page share demo was the one I created, and I'm going to click add. Okay, so that's all I really need to do if that's all I want to share is a landing page. What I do need to do is click active up at the top right to activate the form, and then what you'll see under this ellipsis is you've got this share option. So I'm going to click share, and then when I click this little switch here, you'll see this URL appears underneath. So I'm going to copy that, and now I'm going to go across to my other Kit account. So you can see up here, this one's called demo account John Bellingham, and then the other Kit account I'm going to go to is this one here, which is demo account Kit Mastery. So it's a different account. Now I'm doing it in an incognito window so that the login sessions don't get confused with which account I'm updating. So now I'm going to open up a new browser tab, and I'm going to paste in that URL, which is that one there, and click go. And then what you'll see here, it gives you a bit of information telling you what's about to happen. It's saying that you're going to copy this automation. It tells you the account that's copying it, and then it gives you this button to use the automation. So I'm going to go ahead and click that button, and what it's doing behind the scenes is it's copying the components of that automation and putting it into the other account. So now when I go back to look at my landing pages in this demo account, if I scroll down, you can see this landing page now appears in here, and when I open up you'll see it's got the mountains in the back and the demo share of landing page. Okay, so that's how to share a landing page using a visual automation. I hope this helped. Look forward to seeing you on the next video. Cheers.